Top of the AM, family. And I just wanted to check in because yesterday we had the baby's. Okay. Yesterday we had the baby's birthday party, and I didn't finish the vlog. So yeah, I just wanted to finish out the video, close it out, and let y'all know that I appreciate y'all for watching. I know this ain't my normal content, and you may not even like it, but I wanted it for my baby's memories, for for old time's sake. It'd be years from now, even months from now, I can look back on this and remember, you know what I mean? Have good memories. That's why it's up there. Now, back to regularly scheduled programming. About to get back to these dollars, man. So check back in tomorrow. Let's see what we can come up with, y'all. I think that's it, man. Love you. Peace. It is, yo. What's up? So now I'm back with another vlog, y'all. Another day, getting to another dollar, baby. And I got this job lined up last week. I got 2 jobs today, and they both got lined up last week. Damn. So that's what it is. That's what's on the agenda today. First job is some recyclables, like a Christmas tree and a bunch of cardboard. Second job, I'm not sure, is one of my oldest San Diego homies, man. Like a brother now, honestly. It's for him. I don't even know what it is. He need help, and I can help. I got it. You feel me? So that's what it is, man. I guess we're gonna find out what it is together, y'all. Come along with me. Alright, y'all. Got a nice little steep incline of a driveway. Like a salon or something. Got a tree and a grip of boxes. I'm gonna pull over and tarp it. I just want to get paid and get out of his driveway real quick. It's a big parking lot up the street, not too far, so I'm gonna pull over there, tarp it good, and go on to the recycling and get rid of most of this stuff. Head on to job number 2. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Get paid, we up out of here, baby.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. You have no idea.
Yeah, I got a car for you too.
Okay, cool.
And maybe you got friends, family you can slide. The bottom 2 kind of pop off.
Oh, perfect.
See?
Sounds great.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Just like normal, it took me longer to tarp it than it did for me to do the whole job. You feel me? Tarped up, strapped up, everything's locked in. Boom, boom. Off to the recycler, baby. Off to the recycler. Alright, so I just finished with dumping this entire load. Shit, I didn't know it wasn't just a recycler here. They let me come in with the entire thing, so I got rid of it. So let's see what it is. They say the minimum is 55, so it's gonna be at least that. Hopefully that's it. Shit, we gonna see though. Pull back onto the scales right now. I'll check back in a hot second, y'all. a minute, big. So yeah, it just turned out to be the minimum. Hey, what up, man? You wanna show me your address?
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot you the address right now.
Alright, peace. Alright, so I just got off the phone with the next junk removal. Waiting on the address, and I'm on my way over there. Shit, go handle that. I think that'll be it for the day, honestly. Most likely. We'll see how large of a job this is, but the trailer's open, so all of it's gonna fit. I know that. I ain't even tripping. Alright, man, check back in at the next job. Peace.
Shoes on right now.
Okay.
Yeah, we got a mattress.
This too?
Yeah, all this.
Alright. Yeah, I love it, man.
Life, bro. Filming out loud, okay. Let's get to work. See this swollen ass spot.
He said this mug go 80 miles per hour out the gate, bro. Right out the box. Dope. 80 miles per hour? Four-wheel drive versus what's truck. That's sick. I'm back. Finished with that job. Back at the crib. And it's kind of late in the afternoon, early evening, so I'm gonna call it a wrap. Get up early tomorrow and dump this load from the trailer, and going about my day. I got a client, a personal training client tomorrow morning, so plan is to go to the dump this, and then bring the trailer back here, unhook, and then go train my client after that. So that's what we got planned for tomorrow. As far as today goes, I think that's gonna be it, y'all. Unless I get something else that's like small that can fit. I still got room on the trailer. It may not look like it, but I still got room. So I don't know, y'all. That's probably gonna be it. Get my Mr. Rogers on. I guess I'll get with y'all later. If not, if I don't get with y'all later, I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. Drop a comment for your boy if you will. Other than that, see y'all tomorrow, man.